To make this oil, take handful of fresh curry leaves, wash them thoroughly and separate the leaves. You will also require fenugreek seeds to make this oil. Next, take one small onion and peel the skin. Cut the onion into small cubes. Now take 4 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, handful of fresh curry leaves and onion cubes to the oil. Heat the oil on a low-medium flame. Let the oil take up all the goodness of onions, curry leaves and fenugreek seeds. After 5 minutes, turn off the flame, cover the utensil and let all the ingredients steep in for next 10 minutes. Once it cools down, strain the oil. You can store this oil for 1 month. Apply this oil on your scalp and massage it gently. Concentrate more on the roots of your hair. Leave it on for about 30 minutes to 1 hour and then wash off with mild shampoo. You can use this oil 2 times in a week. Onions are rich in dietary sulfur, a nutritional element our bodies need, so when added to hair and scalp, onions can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. They help promote collagen production, which helps the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. Onion stimulates your scalp and improves the circulation of blood and add volume to your hair. Coconut oil is well known for its penetrating properties. It keeps your hair nourished and moisturized. When the oil is infused with the nutrients present in curry leaves, it forms a mixture that helps strengthen the hair roots and shafts while curbing hair loss. Curry leaves contain essential nutrients that help flush out the impurities from your scalp, improving the follicle health. An ideal way to use curry leaves to tackle hair fall and promote hair growth is to include them in your diet. Fenugreek seeds have been used for a long time to prevent graying of hair. They are a good source of protein that strengthen the hair shaft and prevent breakage. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.